There are two front wheel adjusters on your lawnmower. The adjuster assembly consists of the wheel axle, the height adjustment lever, the adjustment quadrant, the drive shaft bearing, and the mounting studs. Common problems with the adjuster assembly are a bent lever or quadrant, a worn out shaft bearing, or a bent axle. The right and left side adjuster assemblies are different, so it's important that you order the correct one for your repair. Replacing the adjuster assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front wheel. I'll use a 2x4 to prop the lawnmower up. I'll remove the wheel nut, and then slide the wheel away from the axle. I'll remove the large washer behind the wheel. Now I'll remove the retaining ring that secures the pinion to the transmission shaft. With the retaining ring removed, I can pull the pinion away from the shaft and remove the pawl. Now I can remove the dust cover. Now I'll tip the mower back so I can access the underside of the deck. The adjuster bracket is secured with two nuts, and I'll remove them. Now install the new right-hand bracket. I align it with the drive shaft, and then align the studs with the holes in the deck. And I'll secure it with the nuts. I need to transfer the adjuster knob from the old assembly over to the new. I'll use a screwdriver to remove it. And it slides in place. Now reinstall the dust cover. I align it with the axle and the bearing and slide it into place. Now reinstall the drive pawl. One end of the drive pawl has a shoulder to hold it in place. I'll insert the pawl into the opening in the shaft, and the shoulder sits against the shaft. Now I'll reinstall the pinion gear. I align the slot in the back of the pinion gear with the drive pawl. You never want to grease the drive gears because the grease will attract dirt, which will quickly wear away the pinion gear and especially the plastic gear on the back of the wheel. Now resecure this assembly with the retainer. And I'll reinstall the large washer. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the wheel. And that's how you can install a new wheel adjuster on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.